In this lesson, we will take a look at some of the options available to us in the Properties panel of the Home tab. The Properties panel gives us options for modifying the properties of drawing objects. This could be the color, the line type, and the line weight. As you can see, I can select each drop-down and choose a different color, line weight, or line type. While it is possible to select an object and use this panel to change the color or other properties, it's often recommended that these are left by layer so the layers themselves can control the way the objects look. Next, we'll take a look at the Match Properties command. The Match Properties command can be used to quickly convert objects to match other objects. For example, I have a line drawn here. It is a hidden line with a thicker line weight. And then I also have 4 lines drawn over here that are thin object lines. I wish to convert all of these lines to match the hidden line. I'll begin with the Match Properties command. You can also type MA, then press Enter at your keyboard. The command line prompts for the source object, so I will select the object that has the properties that I like, in this case, the hidden line. Now the command line prompts me to select the objects I would like to apply this to. You could use any selection method. I'll go ahead and window around all 4 of these lines, then press Enter. And as you can see, these objects have been changed into the hidden layer and they now show the proper color, line weight, and line type. The Match Properties command can also be customized to work with certain properties. I'll begin the Match Properties command and select an object to act as my source object. Then, in the command line, I will click on the Settings option. The Property Settings dialog box appears, and as you can see, you can control exactly which properties are applied when using the Match Properties command. To summarize, you can use the Properties panel to adjust the color, line weight, and line type of drawing objects, and you can also use the Match Properties command to quickly copy properties from one object to another. That concludes this look at the Properties panel in AutoCAD.